Struggling with neck pain from using your laptop at an uncomfortable angle? Let's make a DIY laptop stand using simple household materials. First, understand the benefits. A laptop stand improves posture and reduces neck strain, positioning your laptop at the perfect ergonomic height. Here's what you'll need: a sturdy cardboard box, ruler, pencil, scissors, and duct tape. Neatly organize these items before starting. Begin by measuring and marking the cardboard. You'll need two triangular side pieces and one rectangular top piece. Use precise measurements for accurate cuts. Next, carefully cut along the marked lines with scissors or a utility knife, ensuring straight lines for stability. Now it's time to assemble. Position the triangular side pieces against the rectangular top piece, aligning them properly. Secure them with duct tape at the edges. For added stability, reinforce the stand with extra strips of cardboard and more duct tape. Test the stand with your laptop to ensure it holds securely. Add personal touches with paint, stickers, or washi tape. Place your laptop on the stand, adjust it to the correct height, and enjoy your improved ergonomic workspace. No more neck pain.